Pool installation is a complex project, and each step requires specific skills, knowledge, and expertise. Here is a detailed guide to the pool installation process. Step 1. Dig the pool. Before building the pool, the digging phase starts, and the most time-consuming and labor-intensive part of the project. The first step in digging the pool is to mark the area and set up a construction site, including a safety fence, drainage system, and any other necessary equipment. Then, the digging machines, such as backhoes, excavators, and loaders, start to scrape off the earth and rocks. After the digging is done, the soil and gravel are removed, and the base of the pool is compacted to ensure a solid foundation for the pool. The digging phase needs to be done properly to avoid any leakages and maintain a long-lasting pool. Step 2. Install steel and plumbing. This step requires the placement and installation of the steel framework, which acts as a support system for the pool. Steel and plumbing must be properly installed to prevent the pool from cracking and leaking. The steel frame is set in place, and the pipes and fittings are connected and tested for leaks. The plumbing system includes the filtration system for the water, the drains, the jets, and the pump room, among others. The steel and plumbing are an essential part of the overall installation process. Step 3. Concrete spraying. After the steel and plumbing are installed, the pool is covered in a layer of concrete. Concrete spraying is the process of spraying the water and cement mixture that forms the walls, floor, and coping of the pool. Concrete spraying is a delicate process that needs to be done properly to ensure the durability of the pool. During the concrete spraying phase, the concrete mixture should be tested for accuracy and consistent, and the surface should be prepared for the spray. The spraying phase requires attention to detail to ensure that the surface is even and flat. Step 4, laying tiles. Laying tiles is an important step in the pool installation process as it adds a touch of elegance and style to the pool's appearance. After the pool's concrete surface has been prepared and cured, a professional contractor will lay the tiles in various patterns and designs to create a unique look for the pool. First, the contractor will measure and cut the tiles to fit the desired area. Then, mortar will be applied to the concrete surface, and the tiles will be laid one by one. Once all the tiles are in place, the mortar will be smoothed out, and the surface will be allowed to dry. Next, a sealant will be applied to the tiles to protect them from water damage and corrosion. The sealant will also make the surface easier to clean and maintain over time. After the sealant has dried, the contractor will inspect the tiles and make any necessary adjustments to ensure that they are evenly spaced and secure. Step 5, add the finishing touches to your pool. After the pool base is complete, a contractor will build a surface level deck around it and apply the pool finish. At this point, landscaping can take place as well. Decorative finishing touches complete the look. The length of time for installation depends on the complexity of the design. Extra features do bump up the cost but give more customization options, including zero entry points, like on a beach, waterfalls, hot tubs, lighting, and stones. Other extras include diving boards, slides, decks, and heaters. Step 6, fill up the pool with water and treat it with chemicals. Now that the interior is finished, the pool is ready to be filled. You may need to acid wash it a day before, and then a pool technician will be able to fill it. After the water goes in, added chemicals keep the water clean and swimmable. The chemical sanitizer helps kill organic contaminants in the water, such as bacteria or algae. 3 EPA-registered sanitizers are commonly used in pools: chlorine, bromine, and PHMB. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to see more. See you on the next video.